Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by inspecting the clip closely to know what you're fixing and why it failed. Once you identify metal, plastic, or hinge style, remove the door or open it fully to access the clip. This gives clearance and prevents damage. Use a screwdriver to ease screws and pliers for stubborn tabs. Make sure to protect finishes with cloth and keep the old clip as a template. This immediate, hands-on assessment saves time and tells you which replacement and method will work best. Next, you remove the broken clip carefully, loosening screws or prying rivets while supporting the door so it doesn't shift. Once detached, compare the new clip to the old one. Matching hole spacing prevents misalignment. Align holes, then start screws by hand to avoid cross-threading. If holes are stripped, use a slightly larger screw or insert a wood plug. Drill a pilot hole when necessary. Tighten progressively and test the fit frequently, because small adjustments make a rigid. Finally, adjust the clip to get perfect alignment. Loosen, shift slightly, then red-tighten while holding the door in place. You should cycle the door about 10 times to bed components and reveal any binding. Make sure the latch engages cleanly and the door sits flush. If it tilts, use thin shims or different screw positions to correct height and depth. If screws won't bite, swap to longer or larger diameter fasteners or add a small reinforcing plate. This fixes common failures without replacing the entire cabinet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.